What to do if the air leaking at muzzle? There are two situations where the air leaking at muzzle. One situation is to not pull the trigger and the air leaking at muzzle. Other situation is when the air leaking at muzzle after pulling the trigger. Let's first talk about the first type. Open the back cover first. If this rubber ring is damaged, it will cause the gun nozzle to leak air. We need to replace it with a rubber ring of the same specification. Replacing the rubber ring, apply oil to the brush. Then just put it back in its original position. Now let's talk about the second scenario. After pulling the trigger, the gun nozzle leaks air. Generally speaking, the buffer pad is damaged. We open the back cover and take out the cylinder. Remove the buffer pad. When it wears out, it can cause air leakage. Replace with a new buffer pad. Be careful when replacing the buffer pad. The smaller end is placed inside the side of the cylinder with holes in it. Brush oil on the inner side of the cylinder for maintenance. Brush oil on the firing pin as well. Install the firing pin back. Then just put it back in its original position. After the repairs are done, we put in the nails. Check whether the stitching is smooth.